Selling a home on behalf of your aging parent is a major undertaking, especially if you find yourself in this situation unexpectedly. It's an emotional and stressful process that can come with several challenges along the way, especially if you're unprepared. Hi everyone, I'm Kelli Nold with the Nold Group, and in today's video, I'm going to discuss tips on how to sell a home on behalf of an aging or incapacitated parent. It's important to note that I am not an attorney, nor am I dispensing legal advice, so be sure to consult a qualified legal professional. The tips I share with you today come from our own personal experience in helping our parents and the specialized education and experience we've gained over the years. So, let's dive in. Tip number 1, establish proper authority. Even if you're a family member, you don't necessarily have the right to sell the home. Authority needs to be established with legal documents like a power of attorney or court order or conservatorship. A power of attorney is a legal document that lets your parents grant you or another person the authority to make important medical or financial decisions on their behalf. This person is called their agent. There are several different types of power of attorney recognized in the state of Florida, such as durable power of attorney, medical power of attorney, and general power of attorney, to name a few. So be sure to seek legal counsel to establish whether you have authority to sell their real estate or if you need to take the steps to establish authority. Tip number 2, establish the home's value. As a fiduciary, it's your responsibility to act in the best interest of the principal or ward. A specific way this is applied is requiring you to sell the home at fair market value. Fair market value is the price at which property would change hands between a willing buyer and a willing seller, neither being under any undue pressure to buy or to sell, and both having reasonable knowledge of the relevant facts of the property. Selling a home to a family member or friend at a price that is lower than fair market value can put you in a legal gray area, and you may find yourself legally or financially liable. So, what is a fiduciary? A fiduciary is a trusted person or institution that can act for a person upon their death or incapacity. When establishing a home's fair market value, be sure to lean on an experienced agent who is an expert at pricing a home correctly. Be sure your agent is up to date on all the local market trends in the area. Consider hiring an agent that has no attachment to the family and can provide an unbiased evaluation of the home. Number 3, gather necessary information. It's important to take stock and gather the necessary information and documents to sell the home. Some of the documents you'll need include any lender information in case your parents still have a mortgage on the home, in addition to any other possible liens against the home. When looking into mortgage liens, keep in mind that it's common for the elderly parents to have non-traditional mortgages on their property, like a reverse mortgage, which can create some additional barriers and requirements. You may need to seek legal counsel to verify if there are any specific legal documents you need to sell the home. Number 4, hire the right real estate agent. Your needs are unique, so it's important to work with an agent who is both experienced in working with clients in your situation. The right agent will result in a smoother, calmer process. Specifically, consider working with a senior real estate specialist like me, who has been through this process hundreds and hundreds of times before. A senior real estate specialist will know what to expect and will set proper expectations for what lies ahead for you. An inexperienced agent will get tripped up by potential barriers that can open you up to liability, cause delays, and make the process much more stressful. Be sure to find a real estate agent with experience specifically in conservatorship, probate, guardianship, and power of attorneys. This can be a complicated process, so even if you're happy with an agent you used in the past, I recommend seeking an agent with this specific experience. Additionally, they'll have access to top professionals that you may need while selling your aging parents' home. Number 5, and this is the final advice, and I can't stress this enough, seek legal counsel. You will likely face some tough legal issues, so don't go it alone. Elder law attorneys are very different from other attorneys. They define their practice not by the type of legal problems they have, but by the type of person they help. Like the training a senior real estate specialist receives, elder law attorneys are experienced in working with older persons and their families on interrelated legal and non-legal issues. Additionally, elder law attorneys have working knowledge of the professional and community resources publicly and privately available to meet the needs of older persons. Yes, it can be more expensive to seek legal counsel, but having the right legal advice from the start will save you trouble down the road. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it gave you food for thought. I'd love to hear from you, so leave your comments below, and if I can be of any help, don't hesitate to reach out. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, take care.